Oh, there you go, guys. That's a very good looking walleye. There. Oh my god, it's heavy. Holy macaroni. The dink. See? Oh yeah. So ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Vlogger John. We are going to do a multi-species fishing today. We are in one of the famous lakes in Alberta, Canada. We are targeting multi-species like I said, pike, walleye, carp, whitefish, and possibly some perch. I'm using only lures today, no baits, no minnow, no worms, no nothing, okay? It's only going to be plastics and spoons, okay? And spinners probably, okay? So let's hope to have a good day. It is the last day of open water season, guys. It's really cold and it's really windy. Let's do the first cast. I can literally see my lure is flying. Oh, there you go. First cast and first fish. Fish on, guys. There you go. It's a very nice feeling when you get a fish on your first cast, guys. What is it? What is it? Good looking fall walleye. Look at these colors, guys. Green, yellow. Oh my god, very beautiful, good looking. Come on. So I caught this good looking walleye on a first cast on a storm wild eye small mini walleye lure, and I'm hoping to catch more. Fish on, fish on, guys. Fish on. See, I used the same lure. You could see like I was not reeling it in really fast, like the lure. I was presenting it to the fish. The fish are a little bit, fatigued. They are lethargic because it's almost winter. Look at this northern pike, guys. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful northern pike and healthy. So what I was trying to tell you guys, when I reel it in after casting it out, I was really presenting that to the fish. So even if the fish is lethargic, it has the time to do so. Another dink pike, guys. It's a smallie, but beautiful looking, So I caught my first fish on a wild eye mini walleye lure, and I haven't changed it. I kept fishing with the same lure because that's what the fish are looking for. You can have like 200 different kinds of lure in your tackle box, but when you are successful in one of those lure, don't change it. And big lure will catch big fish. That's the theory. Oh my god, what a beast! Woohoo! Look at this. Look at the mouth. Oh my god. Do you want to go home? Do you want to go home now? Go home. Come on. He's gone. I already caught like 4 pike and 4 walleye. One of those walleye was like almost 10 pound, I believe. 74 centimeter. It wasn't too long, but it was so fatty. So I don't know. I'm gonna catch more pike or I'm gonna catch more walleye today. Let's see. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy macaroni. That's the second one of the same size. Oh my god, it's heavy. Huge. I don't know, it's fatty. Oh my god, look at this, guys. Wow. Oh, I'm gonna show you the mouth. See? See the mouth? Holy macaroni. Huge one. Huge. That's the second one of the same size, almost bigger. It's a little fatty, but the other one was bigger. Holy. I really would like to take a coffee break, guys. I'm so tired. I mean, the fun being tired, right? You take a break too, but don't go nowhere, eh? I just want to remind you guys before you go. I mean, I don't want you to go anywhere, but make sure your knot is very good and you have a good line and your lure and rod in good condition, because most of these fish I caught today, if they were not up to the mark, I'm gonna lose a lot of fish today. Any fish that I hooked really good, that didn't go nowhere. I didn't have a problem. And make use of your drag. That's there for a reason, guys. Use your drag properly. Okay, we'll be right back. It's getting darker, guys, and my feet are no longer felt. I'm putting on a jacket just because it's feels like -7, and hopefully we'll catch more fish. Once the fish is biting, you don't want to go home. I don't care what weather it is. It can be cold, it can be warm. When I did most of my personal best fishing when the weather was really bad, like there was winter advisory, like heat advisory warning going on, then I caught my best fish. So I think I can do my same trick again today. Come here. Oh no. The pike is biting so hard today too, guys. Okay, it's another dink pike. Nothing is better than something, Not going? Okay. So basically, I did use pretty much 1 or 2 lures all the time. I might change a few times with the dynamite plastics and my wild eye storm lures. I kept fishing and the fish were biting for pretty much every other cast, and I used my drag really effectively, and I'm using a good rod and a 50-pound line and a 60-pound leader, and I'm not going to exhaust the fish too much. It's already cold. They're having their metabolism is very down, and I'm not using a monofilament line and exhausting the fish. I'm not doing it. Alright guys, super walleye. Oh wow, look at this. Look at the mouth. It's red. Yeah. He swallowed it. And the pike, guys. Oh yeah. It's night, but they're still biting. Good day so far. It's dark, guys. We got a great day today. We got lots of monster walleye, pike, whatsoever. It was so fun fishing here today. I'm gonna just pack up everything, and I would possibly come back here tomorrow to do a little bit more fishing. But thank you for watching Vlogger John. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel if it is okay. You know, just check out my channel, and if it is something that's interest to you, subscribe to my channel. You know, turn on those notifications. Yeah, until I see you next time, it's Vlogger John signing off. Bye bye. Take care.